If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey, it's me again, my friends. Larry here. And we're going to be doing a Sheaffer fountain pen. Vintage, or you can say it's a old pen, but it's never been used. So you got a pen that's been on the shelf for a while. Old stock. And I thought it was interesting, so we're going to give this a shot and see how it performs. And this is how it comes. So let's go ahead and take a look down here. We'll take the case top off. And it does come with a little booklet inside. Let me see here. It just says PG Box, Germany. On the back of it, it does have Sheaffer. To all you Sheaffer pen fans out there, here it is. Blah, blah. And let's see if I can get some more information. Of course, Sheaffer Ink Company is made in Madison, USA. Printed in USA. These little booklets can give you, at times, some good information. It does have how to fill the pen in different languages. The cartridge. And how to, put the cartridge in, replace it, blah, blah, blah. And to fill your pen with ink. All that good stuff. I'm looking for a certain date. But I cannot find it unless I'm just overlooking it. And if I do at a later, I'll mention that back on the video at a different point in time. So let's get on with the review. Okay, my friends. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. The mighty Sheaffer pen. Stainless steel pen. I like the way it's shaped. And look at it, goes down to the bottom of that barrel, how it kind of tapers off. And look at that on the end, Mr. Announcer.
Beveled appearance.
It's not round, you're right. That's kind of interesting to me, the shape of it. I like that. I like pens that have different kind of bodies and shapes to them. And as you go up this cap, and the finial is going to be the same as it is on the end. And let's go down the clip. Well, first you see the famous dot for Sheaffer. It still is a beautiful pen. I like all pens. They all have different personalities. And this is really, to me, a beautiful pen. Pull off cap. It does post. So when the pen post is, it's going to be 6 inches. When the pen is capped, it's going to be 5 inches. The weight of the pen is 27.9 Gs. And it does have a medium nib, which says right back here, M for medium. And I do love this inlaid nib. Looks really hot. That's really the beauty of the pen. It does say Sheaffer on the nib with R for the markings on it, and let me see if I didn't miss anything else. Okay, so we're done with that part. Let's unscrew the barrel. Of course, you're not going to be able to make this into a eyedropper metal. Darn. Of course, I don't care about that. So here is the mechanism inside that will let you fill up your pen. It's a steel nib. So I am going to put some ink in it. Hello, Mr. Grayson Kitty. And here is some good old-fashioned Meet Me at St. Louis by KWZ ink. And converter, of course, you press and you release, press and release to fill your pen. So here we go. Put it in, press and release, press and release. But right now, I say let's get busy and test this pen out for writing. Now reverse. And you do get some different writing. I guess you could say to a fine maybe, or medium fine. Nice decent nib, wet, smooth. Now I have small hands, but I would have to post this for me to get a better grip on the pen. And there you have it. Simple, clean. The Sheaffer. I'm going to leave you folks. Peace and love. Be kind to a stranger. And remember, don't text and don't drive. Hasta la vista, amigo. Take care. Bye-bye.